An expression of 8 degree is written with leading coefficient of 2 and constant of 9. Which expression is correctly written for these conditions? So first let me write what we have here. We have 8 degree. 8 degree. So in our solutions, variable is y. So y must be in 2 power 8. What else we have is written with leading coefficient. Expression with 8 degree is written with leading coefficient of 2. So we have to have coefficient before y to 8 power 2. What else? We have constant of 9. So we have plus positive 9. And that's it. We have only that expression of 8 degree, expression with 8 degree. So the higher degree is 8 and the leading coefficient is 2, constant is 9. So let's see where we can find 2y to power 8 plus 9. We have y to second power, so this is not our solution. We have here 2y to 8 power, constant is 2, so this is not our solution. And in the 4 expression we have y to 7th power, the higher expression, so this is not our solution. Only expression 2, leading coefficient 2 before y to 8th power, and constant is 9. So this is our solution.